The head-supported neutral grip dumbbell bent over row is an excellent back exercise that is designed to remove any torso movement during the row. The goal is to complete the bent over row without moving your forehead off the bench. To get started, set an adjustable bench to an incline position where the angle allows you to bend over to place your forehead on the top with your back close to parallel to the floor. With a hip width stance, hold a pair of dumbbells with a neutral palms facing in grip, arms extended straight down towards the floor. While maintaining a flat back, with your forehead in contact with the bench, initiate the rowing movement by first contracting your back muscles, then bend your elbows and pull the dumbbells to the sides of your torso. During the row, make sure you keep your torso locked close to parallel to the ground while keeping your forehead in contact with the bench at all times. This will eliminate any swaying up and down to create momentum to move the weight. Squeeze your shoulder blades back while in the contracted position, then slowly straighten your arms to lower the dumbbells back towards the floor. Repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.